Hi guys, this is Yang. So do you guys fancy white tech devices like me? So if you wanted to vlog with white lav mic together with, say, Pocket 2, then it doesn't look that great. But now you're gonna definitely have a solution, because yesterday there was an announcement on DJI official YouTube community tab that there's going to be a DJI Pocket 2 Sunset White. So if I quickly have a look at the community tab, it says DJI Pocket 2 exclusive combo Sunset White, July 7, 2020, 9:30 p.m. EDT. So yeah, this is what we're seeing right now. I'm just gonna enlarge it. So this Pocket 2 is going to be all super white except the display and except the camera lens part. All the glassy part, it's going to be still black. However, the plasticky part, as well as this is, I think, metal of some sort, the gimbal part, they're all going to be sunset white, whatever that means. I think it just means white. I don't think it's like yellowy white or anything. It looks like it's just basically pure white, just like all the color scheme that I'm wearing today. So in the photo, all we see is the Pocket 2 main devices together with the do-it-all handle, which is just by the side of Pocket 2. I was a little bit surprised that it doesn't have any other accessories. However, yeah, in poster, I guess you need to have it simple and nice. But I'll be very extremely sad if we don't see the white version of the mic together with the set. So DJI just following the footstep of, big tech brands such as Apple, Samsung, coming up with fancy different colors and calling it different fancy names like Sunset White. It's pushing out another Pocket 2 in different color, which I do welcome. I do welcome that we do get some choice out there. And it also shows them perhaps Pocket 2 out of the DJI product, that's the one that they think it will sell during this summer. So just to quickly recap what I do like about Pocket 2, which I've actually made a full detailed video here. I do love that this is a gimbal camera, so the camera can move around, great for one motion time lapse, and also it's great 4K resolution camera this way and also the other way as well. So all in all, Pocket 2 is an awesome device for travel, vlogging, etc., which I have demonstrated in so many videos of mine. And talking about travel, I want to introduce you guys to NordVPN, which is a sponsor of the video. If you guys are traveling abroad and if you want to get connected to everything, all the internet that you get at your home base, then you might want to consider getting a VPN service. And NordVPN right now has great discount at the summertime, so do check out the link down below, and don't forget to use the coupon code YOUNG360. And another thing that I absolutely love about Pocket 2 camera is that it does have the mic option. So I do really wonder what kind of package that they will have in their exclusive combo. Is it going to be exactly the same as Creator Combo? So if we actually look at the past, what DJI has done in the past, especially with the Mavic drone, we can probably, take a guess. However, this is all guesstimate. This is not even rumor. We haven't even seen any rumor of the white device until the announcement that we've seen several hours ago. But I hope this is going to be a dialogue between you and me, just guessing what we might see in 24 hours time. So in 2017, they did attempt with a white version called Mavic Pro Alpine White, which looked absolutely beautiful. So if we look at the blog, this is from actually DJI official website. They do compare what's the difference between Mavic Pro that originally came out, very popular device, and then later they decided they're going to produce an Alpine White device looking absolutely spectacular. However, you can see that actually the feature-wise, it's exactly the same. And price-wise, it is very interesting because Mavic Pro came out as a single device as well as the Fly More combo version, which costed $1,300. However, with Alpine Pro White combo, so it didn't come out as a single device, but it's an exclusive edition of the combo series. It seems like they took out a couple of accessories and added a bit more. So they added more propeller sets, but they took out the car charger as well as the proper bag. Whereas Alpine White combo had sort of economical looking sleeve rather than a proper bag, and they ended up selling it at $200 cheaper than the Fly More combo of Mavic Pro. And then also they released platinum version, which is actually $100 more expensive. But the feature is slightly different because that's why they called it platinum. You can see that it has an extra juice of 3-minute additional flight time, as well as quieter flight with a change in the design of the propeller. So from that past experience, I think we're gonna get the same feature as Pocket 2. That's why it's called Pocket 2 Sunset White rather than Pocket 2 Platinum or something, because I guess maybe it's a little bit hard to change the feature, except maybe longer battery time or something. So I would really expect the same device but different color, maybe slightly different items within the combo set, because it says exclusive combo, not creator combo. So I'm really curious, but I think they must have a mic in white, at least offer it as a separate item for people to purchase if they want to. But mic is definitely essential for Pocket 2. So are you guys looking forward to the white version of Pocket 2? I think it is very exciting that you do get choice. However, I have to say, if I have actually the choice of 2 devices, I would probably go for black, because it's a bit more, it doesn't stand out too much. And one thing I noticed about actually having white devices for camera, especially for mobile phone, you know, it does have a very big white surface. So I try to take a picture outside a window, then it actually reflects on the window, so I can actually see the white mobile phone on the window. However, Pocket, I have to say, yeah, the area size is much less than mobile phone, so maybe that's not too much of an issue. So I'll definitely come back with some other updates on the DJI products, as well as other tech gadget reviews. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!